Shall we get started? Okay. So listen, we'll do some problems based on differentiation today. So tell me how to solve this. Differentiate with respect to x. So if I call this as y, then what is dy by dx equal to? 1 by 2 root of 3x plus 2 into, what is the derivative of 3x plus 2? It is 3 plus. How to solve this?
U by V method.
So tell me what is the answer?
Sir, minus 12, minus 6x upon.
You are telling the final answer? Are you telling me the final answer?
No, sir, only that.
Okay, tell me. 6x.
Sir, minus. Yes, sir, minus 6x upon 2x square plus 4 the whole power 3 by.
But how did you get 6x? See, if you do chain rule, right? Are you getting 6?
No, sir,
Okay.
there'll be 2 in the denominator, no, so that I'll
Okay,
cancel.
you want to do the u by v. So root of 2x square plus 4 into derivative of 1 is 0. Minus 1 into derivative of this is 1 by 2 root of 2x square plus 4 into 1 minute. I'll do one thing. Problem is we have less space today. Plus this part is there. No, I'll do it separately. So v into derivative of u is 0 minus u into derivative of v is 1 by 2 root of 2x square plus 4 into derivative of 2x square is 4x, the whole divided by 2x square plus 4. Is this what you did? So this is going to disappear 2 and this will get cancelled twice. So what will be the answer? Minus 2x divided by 2x square plus 4, the whole power 3 by 2. Is this right? I'll call this as y1 and here it is going to be y1 dash, where this y1 dash is this value. Is there anyone having doubt in this? Minus 2x divided by 2x square plus 4 the whole power
Yes,
3
sir,
by 2.
sorry, it's minus 2x only, sir, not 6.
So here you will have 3 by 2. So what is going to be dy by dx? 3 by 2 into root of 3x plus 2 minus 2x divided by 2x square plus 4 the whole power 3 by 2. This is going to be the final answer. Somebody is not clear, please get it clarified. So can I assume everyone is clear? Okay. Do this one. So this is y. So what is y dash? What is the derivative of e power secant square x? It is going to be e power secant square x into derivative of secant square x is 2 secant x tan x sorry, it is 2 secant x into derivative of secant x is secant x tan x, right? Plus 3 into, what is the derivative of cos inverse x? It is minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So what will be the answer? 2 e power secant square x into secant square x tan x minus 3 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a problem you need to be very careful. Okay. I have a question. Y is equal to log x. What is dy by dx?
1 by x.
1 by x.
It is 1 by x provided what is the condition I need to have in my mind? Base of log is what? What
10.
should be the base? What should be the base of log? Provided the base of log is e. Means you're writing log x in mathematics, right? It is actually log x base e. See, this is what you would have learned in your electrochemistry also. Whenever you have the 2.303 and thermodynamics also, you would have seen the 2.303 thing, right? That is coming because log 10 is there. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? See, this point, they would have not given it anywhere. So listen to this carefully. If the base is e, then the derivative of log x is going to be 1 by x. The reason I had to stress on this point is here the base is not e, it is 7. Suppose you do something like this. You write y is equal to 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Answer is wrong. Why? Why? Because the base is not 7. Are you guys clear or not? Or is it confusing? If you respond only, I'll be able to understand. Is it clear?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, no? Now see, you should not do it like
Sir,
this. Then you can
y
ask,
dash is that balance, not balance.
Yadapa, y dash is, if you write it as 1, see, by default, had you not seen the 7, what will you generally do? Our hand will proceed like this, right? 1 by log x into derivative of log x, you would have written it as 1 by x. You thought this will be the answer, correct? This is what we would have done basically, right? But this is wrong. Because when you're doing chain rule, here you're differentiating log x. No, the derivative of that log x is 1 by x. Because if they don't give any base in mathematics, it is understood that the base is e. If the base is given, then it is not e. So what you're supposed to do is, listen to this carefully. Log of a base b, if you have something like this, then you can write this as log of a base c into log of c base b. Write it down. It is a very, very, very important point. Please make a note of it. You should write it as log a base c into log c base b. Meaning, in this question, this log of log x base 7 is there. No, my job is to convert it into an expression with log and base e. So what I will do is I'll write this as log of log x base e into log e base 7. Is it making sense? Connect this and see if you're able to understand. Are you able to understand this? If not, please ask. It is very important. Please ask. If something is not clear, please get it clarified.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Which step you want me to explain?
Like substitution.
This part is clearer.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Okay, this you understood. No, so here you have a base b means I'm introducing a new term c such that I will write one of the expressions as log a base c into log c base b. Okay. So here if you see this log x is a, 7 is b. Right. So can I write this as log of log x? So in the place of a, log x only. So in the place of c, I'm replacing it with e. E is that exponential value, that 2.7132, that value. Into Log in the place of C, what should I again write? The same thing which I wrote here, no? I should write E only. Base 7. Why is the 7 coming? Because in the place of B, I have 7. Was it Dilip who asked that question?
Yes, sir.
Dilip, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now re-attempt the question. Log of log x base 7. What I'll do is, I'll write it as log e base 7 into log of log x. Now it makes sense. See. Why I wrote it as log of, see, I just swapped these two. This one I wrote it here, this one I took it here. So log e base 7 into log of log x. Now I need not write what is the base, because if I simply write it as log in mathematics, it is understood base is e. Now tell me what should be the answer. Log e base 7 is a constant. So what is the derivative of log x? 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. This is the right answer. So what was missing in the previous one? This part. This was missing. Am I clear with this? So please mark this question as important. Now I'm going to give you another question for my satisfaction. Okay. If you're done copying this, let me know. I'll create a question.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, actually, I made one more approach, sir, but I got the same answer, sir. Can I use it?
What? Yeah, what approach did you do?
Sir, I actually took on both sides, I took 7 to power both sides, sir, actually.
Correct. You can do that. So you did this 7
was very
power
easy,
y
sir.
is equal to log of log x. This is what you did.
Yes, sir, even 7 to power on the other side also, sir.
So 7 power y is equal to log x is what you did. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then you
Fine.
would have done derivative of a power x is a power x log a. Is this what you did?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 7 power y into log 7 into y dash is equal to derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by y is equal to 1 by x into, instead of 7 power y, I'll write it as log x into, you have log 7. Then an answer.
Yes, sir.
Both are right. Because logarithms and exponential are inverse of each other. They are inverse functions of each other. So this is also right. If you're comfortable like this, go with this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, shall I create another question? Log of sine square x base 5. Do this. It's base 5, okay? Not 7.
Sir, log 5.
Log 5
No,
or
sir.
log e base?
Log e
E
base
base
5 into
uh,
sine 2x upon sine square x.
into derivative of this is 1 by sine square x into sine 2x. Is this what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
That's right. If you want, you can simplify and also write it. See, but one point, was it Kaushik who did in this method?
Yes, sir.
Listen, see, for Kaushik, the answer came as 1 by log 7. For us, we got it as log e base 7. But how am I saying both are right? Because, Kaushik, can you tell me why is it so? Log a base b is equal to
Log B by A, sir. 1 by log B.
1 by log b base. So, adanala, if it is log of e base 7, it is the same as 1 by log 7 base e. That is why he wrote it as log 7. No, he didn't put the base c because it is understood that the base is e. Are you able to understand, guys? So both are right. If you leave the answer right like this, it is right. Or if you write it as 1 by log 5, that is also right. Okay, I hope everybody is making a note of this point. Put it in a separate sheet in the front, okay, so that it will help you for the last minute revision. If this kind of a question comes, I don't want you to make mistake. Have a sticky notes or whatever it is, please make a note of this point. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I think we can do it fast. Derivative of cos inverse of sin x. Derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So in the place of x, I have sin into derivative of sin x cos x. So answer will be minus 1 by cos x into cos x. Answer will be minus 1. Right. So how did I do this? I did this using the chain rule. Suppose cos inverse of, I could have written sin x as cos of pi by 2 minus x. Makes sense. So cos inverse of cos of pi by 2 minus x is pi by 2 minus x. So this is also y. Now what will be y dash? Derivative of pi by 2 is 0 and derivative of x is minus 1. So y dash is equal to minus 1. This is an alternate way. You can solve the problem in any way you want. Okay, any method, whichever you are comfortable with. Okay. Am I clear? So I'll show you the next problem. Keep solving it. I'll be back. Do this. The hint I would give is don't use chain rule. Simplify the function and then solve.
Sir, 1 by 2.
Anybody with the answer? Anybody with the answer?
Sir, 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Sir,
1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is correct. Because tan inverse of sin x, you can write it as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by what is 1 plus cos x? 2
2 cos square
cos.
x by 2.
Yes, cancel these two. Oh, sorry. Then you can say 1 cos x by 2 will get cancelled. This will be tan inverse of tan x by 2. Answer will be x by 2. So this is why y dash would be half. Okay. Do this. So hint. Anybody?
Sir, in the denominator, write this
Sir, 2
Power.
power x is
2 power 2.
Use substitution method. So y is equal to sin inverse of, can I write this as 2 into 2 power x divided by 1 plus 2 power x the whole square? Can I write it as 2 power x the whole square? If that is the case, if I put 2 power x is equal to tan theta, listen to this carefully. If I put 2 power x is equal to tan theta, y will be equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So what is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? It is sine 2 theta. Am I right? So this will be 2 theta. Correct? Is there any doubt till this step? Is there anyone who is not clear with what I did? So this will be equal to 2 tan inverse of 2 power x. So this is y. So what is the value of y dash? 2 into, what is the derivative of tan inverse? 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of 2 power x.
So 2 power x into log.
So it is going to be 2 power x into log 2. So what will be the answer? 2 power x plus 1 by 1 plus 2 power x the whole square into log 2.
Sir, should we use chain rule for 2 power x?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Come again.
Should we use chain rule for 2 power x?
Yes, we need to. Because 2 power x is a separate function. No? See, as long as you don't have tan inverse of, you don't have x inside, okay? You need to always go with chain rule.
Sir,
In the case of x,
but in previous problem, we didn't use it.
where this one,
No, sir. One second.
I didn't get you. Which problem I didn't use it?
Okay, okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, there is something called as composite functions. Okay. If there is a function within another function, you should always use chain rule. That's the meaning. Seriya? Can you try this? If find f dash of x, if f of x is equal to sin x power sin x. So what should I do? Y is equal to sin x to the power of sin x. So function to the power of another function, what should I use?
Taking log on both sides.
Log.
Yes. So it will be sin x into log of sin x, right? So sin x is going to be u and this is going to be v. Now you solve the problem. No? 1 by y into y dash is equal to sin x into derivative of log of sin x is 1 by sin x. Dilip, just to clarify, okay? Here, should I use chain rule or not?
Yes, sir.
I should use because I don't have log x. So x place, like if it is something else, I need to use chain rule. So 1 by sin x into, I need to use chain rule to differentiate this. That is going to be cos x plus log of sin x into derivative of sin x will be cos x. So here sin x and sin x are gone. So can I take this cos x outside into 1 plus log of sin x? Can I write it like this? So y dash will be equal to y into this thing. So sin x to the power of sin x into cos x into 1 plus log of sin x is going to be the answer. Okay. So there's also a problem based on chain rule. Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Now see. So this is a problem that is based on differentiating parametric equations. So how do I do that? So for me to find dy by dx, I should have dy by dt separately. I should have dx by dt separately. Solve it and tell me. So what is dy by dt? Who can tell me? It is going to be, a is a constant. So when you have an exponential function, what will you write? A power t plus 1 by t into d by dt of t plus 1 by t. Can I write it like this? Now, a power
Sir.
t plus, tell me.
Sir, what about log t
Uh,
plus 1?
oh, sorry. Yeah, log a. Now it's
Yeah,
balanced, no?
log is.
Yeah. So 1
Yes.
minus 1 by t square into log a. I hope this is clear. Right? This is dy by dt. If you want, you can simplify and write it. A power t plus 1 by t log a into t square minus 1 divided by t square. Let me call this as equation number 1. Now, if I observe x is equal to a function raised to the power of constant. So what formula should I apply? I'll write t plus 1 by t the whole power a minus 1 into derivative of t plus 1 by t is going to be 1 minus 1 divided by t square. So that will be
8 times.
what? Oh, a times a is there. Because x power n is nx power n minus 1. This n is there. So in the place of n, I have a. Am I clear? T plus 1 by t to the power of a minus 1 into t square minus. Actually, we need not do this because it's getting cancelled. So if I want dy by dx, I will write dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? A power t plus 1 by t into log a into t square minus 1 by t square the whole divided by a into t plus 1 by t the whole power a minus 1 into t square minus 1 by t square. Makes sense? Cancel this and this. So what is going to happen? So a power t plus 1 by t minus 1 into log a the whole divided by t plus 1 by t to the power of a minus 1. Okay. Is this clear? Is clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Very good. Shall I proceed? See, this is another type of problem where you're actually differentiating one function with respect to another. Till now, what were we doing? We were differentiating every function with respect to x. But if they ask you differentiation of one function with respect to another, what are we supposed to do? They're actually asking derivative of sine square x with respect to derivative of e power cos x. So what can I do here? Can I write it as derivative of sine square x with respect to x divided by derivative of e power cos x with respect to x? Means I'll differentiate this separately, and divide both. That's it. So what is the derivative of sine square x? By now you should have known it is going to be sine 2x. Because why? What will you get? 2 sine x into cos x, sine 2x. What is the derivative of e power cos x? It will be e power cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sine x. Is that right? So derivative of sine square x with respect to derivative of e power cos x is going to be, I'll write it like this. 2 sine x cos x divided by minus e power cos x into sine x. Sine x and sine x will get cancelled. So you will have minus 2 cos x into e power minus cos x. 2 cos x into e power minus cos x. Shall I proceed? So differentiate with respect to x. Answer. First one is very easy. Use chain rule. 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 into derivative of 3x square minus 9x plus 5. That is going to be 6x minus 9.
Sir, 3x square minus 9x plus 5 the whole power 8, right?
Now power 8. Okay. So it is going to be 54x minus 81 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 the whole power 8. This is going to be the answer. So for the second one, y is equal to sine cube x plus cos power 6x. So what is the value of y dash? Derivative of sine cube x. 3 sine square x into derivative of sine x is going to be cos x plus 6 cos power 5x into minus sine x. So what can I take out? I can take out 3 sine x cos x outside into sine x minus 2 cos power 4x. That's going to be the answer. Okay. Solve this. I have a function to the power of another function. So what should I do? Take log on both the sides. So log y will be equal to 3 cos 2x into log 5x. I skipped one step. Right? So this is u, this is v. 1 by y into y dash is equal to 3 cos 2x into derivative of log 5x is 1 by 5x into derivative of 5x is 5 plus log 5x into 3 cos 2x derivative is minus 3, sorry, minus, I'll write it separately into 5 plus derivative of this is log 5x into 3 into minus 2 sine 2x. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Y dash will be equal to y if I take it to the other side. Y is going to be 5 power x, sorry, 5x to the power of 3 cos 2x into 3 cos 2x divided by x minus 6 into sine 2x into log 5x. Check. This is what you're getting.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how do you get 3 cos 2x?
This there. Y is equal to
Sir, but
5x.
3 would be like we can take 3 outside, right? Like in the second step.
You could have done that.
Sir, then we'll have to multiply 3 with 6 also.
Why will it? Because I multiplied with 3 with 2 only, I got 6. Got it? So log
Yes,
5
sir,
x.
understood.
Understood, no?
Yes, sir.
So I repeat, if there is anyone who is not clear, please don't hesitate, ask. So y is equal to sine inverse of x root x. Okay. What is y dash? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So x root x, the whole square is x cube. Into derivative of x root x is how much? X into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x plus, actually I can write it as x power 3 by 2, no? Can I write it as 3 by 2 into x power half? Because x into root x is x power 3 by 2. Derivative of x power 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. Right? So this will be 3 by 2 into root x divided by root of 1 minus x cube. That's the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do this, no? Y is cos inverse of x by 2 by root of 2x plus 7.
Sir, can you show the previous page? Thank you, sir.
Can you solve this? Cos inverse of x by 2 by root of 2x plus 7. U by v. No other option. So it is going to be root of 2x plus 7 into derivative of cos inverse is going to be minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into half minus cos inverse of x by 2 into derivative of 1 by derivative of root 2 x minus 7 is 1 by 2 root of 2x plus 7 into derivative of 2x is going to be 2. The whole divided by 2x plus 7. So 2 and 2 are lost. They get cancelled. Tell me.
Sir, for this, won't log be a better method?
Won't you can try? Yeah, it will be. It's your wish. You can do it.
Okay.
See, I have a space constraint. I'm using small device today, so I'm not able to write. And it is appearing big actually. So yeah. Try and see, no, if you're getting the same answer. You should actually. Tell me.
No, sir, I wanted to see the answer.
You wanted to say the answer?
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
So 4 minus x square by 2 minus cos inverse of x by 2 by root of 2x plus 7, the whole divided by 2x plus 7. So minus 1 divided by root of 2x plus 7 into root of 4 minus x square minus cos inverse of x by 2 by 2x plus 7, the whole power 3 by 2. This will be the answer. I don't know what you got.
Yes, sir, same answer.
Same, no? Yeah. See, I'm not discussing every step because I'm assuming that you people have got it, right? I'm believing that if you have a doubt, you're going to ask me. Shall I proceed? This is also a good problem. So cot inverse of, so if you directly start differentiating this, it will be very, very, very big process, right? Instead, what we can do is, this root of 1 plus sin x is there, no? So wherever you have this 1 plus sin x, you'll have two kinds of combinations, 1 plus sin x and 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x, you have a ready-made formula 2 cos square x by 2. Whereas when you have 1 plus sin x, no, write this as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And this will be equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. Similarly, whenever you have 1 minus sin x, you can write it as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And that will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square.
Sir,
Right.
is the answer 1 by 2?
It should be. Answer is half correct. That should be the answer. You would have got cot inverse of cot pi by 4. I think it is minus half. Check it. It should be minus half. Y is equal to cot inverse of, listen, root of 1 plus sin x is this value, right? So you will get the answer as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Plus, here you will get it as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Oh, sorry, you're right. You're right. Half is right. Correct.
Okay, sir.
The half is right. So root of 1 plus sin x will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So what you get cancelled, sin x by 2 and sin x by 2 are lost. Cos x by 2 and cos x by 2 get cancelled. So y will be equal to cot inverse of 2 cot x by 2 divided by 2 sin x by 2. Cancel them. Sorry, cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. So you'll have cot inverse of cot x by 2, which will be x by 2. So y dash will be equal to half. So y is equal to x by 2, y dash will be equal to half. Am I clear with this?
Sir, can you scroll up?
Sure. 1 minute. Shall I proceed? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
So y is equal to log x to the power of log x. Take log on both the sides. Log y will be equal to log x into log of log x. So 1 by y into y dash is equal to this. You will apply u and this you will write it as v. So u into v is log x into derivative of v is going to be 1 by log x into 1 by x plus log of log x into 1 by x. So y dash will be equal to y into log x and log x are gone. So 1 by x plus log of log x by x. So answer should be log x to the power of log x into 1 by x plus log of log x to the base x. Right. So this should be the answer. Clear? So if somebody is copying, please make a note of it.
Sir,
Solve.
sir, before problem, we can rationalize and also do it, right?
Where will you rationalize? For the previous problem, huh?
Yes, sir.
The previous problem, you want to rationalize it. You can do it, but the numerator will become a perfect square. Denominator will become a square minus b square. It is complicated to handle again.
No, sir, it's simple.
It's working, huh? So
Yes, sir.
numerator is 1 plus sin x plus 1 plus 1 minus sin x
Yes, sir, it's coming.
Yes, sir.
plus
Sir, actually,
2
that root part will become cos 6.
2 cos x. No, so sin x and sin x will go. So you'll have 2 into 1 plus cos x. This is the numerator. This is what you're getting the.
Yes, sir. Cos x. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you will get 4 cos square x by 2 in the numerator. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So denominator you will get 1. Purila.
2 sin x.
This and this will get cancelled. You will get 2 sin x. So you want to write it as 4 cos square x by 2 divided by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So 2 sin x already was. So it will be 4 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. I can do it. Yeah. It's up to you. So 7th one, I hope it's clear, right? This for 7th one, there is only method. Shall we do one last problem before winding up? It's a simple one. There. What should I do? 1 minute. Find dy by dx. Cos of a cos x plus b sin x. So y is equal to cos of a cos x plus b sin x. So what is y dash? Minus sin into a cos x plus b sin x into derivative of a cos x plus b sin x is minus a sin x plus b cos x. Right. So answer will be minus a sin x plus b cos x into minus sin of a cos x plus b sin x. That's the answer. Sure. So I hope it is simple, right? I think there are 7 or 8 problems left out. We'll do it in the next class, and in the meanwhile, you'll be getting the assignment also, right? Ensure that you're working on the assignment this week. Today is Wednesday, no? So we'll be meeting on Monday. Before Monday, you'll be getting an assignment. Work on that assignment, and on Monday's class, we'll solve the remaining problems and discuss the doubts from your assignment. Is that clear?
Sir, the assignment will be based on inverse trigonometry, right?
Inverse trigonometry and this chapter.
Okay.
Inverse trigonometry, I think already we have solved 27 problems now. As I told you, right, remaining, see, every assignment will contain 75 questions. I understand it is difficult, but that is the only way you can improve your speed. Work on it. Okay. So 50 questions, now maximum it will take 1.5 hours to complete inverse trigonometry. In this also, I have solved around 10 questions. So 65 are there. So that should take maximum 3 to 4 hours. So try to allocate the time and manage your time. Okay. And you have any doubt, reach out. Surya, is there any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll wind up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.